breakfast power wrap for weight loss. If you guys want more meal prep videos, hit the subscribe button and check out my other meal prep video where I make a smoky Chipotle beef bowl that has 50 grams of protein.